If you use aluminum T-slot frames, like this for instance, you'll have been faced with the necessity of installing fixtures like this to provide lighting for workbenches, structures for machinery, workstations along an assembly line, and so forth. Now I'd like to give you 4 good reasons for replacing this light source. First of all, this type of fixture is not made specifically for aluminum. Second, the cost of installing these fixtures is relatively high because besides the lamp, you need clamps, brackets, the whole support structure, the cost of installation, centering the holes, and then you have to make sure that these structures aren't touching anything or hindering movements involved in your production. 3, each time fixtures like these are installed onto your frames, it impacts the look and the perceived quality of your product drastically and negatively. 4, finally, this fixture is not modular nor adaptable. Instead, if we use one of the principal characteristics of T-slot aluminum framing, the slot, and we take an LED device from Mondall and we simply insert it into the slot like that, in a few seconds we've resolved all your lighting problems. How? First, it's a lighting solution specifically made for aluminum frames. Second, no installation costs. Third, the perceived quality of your product and its look is enhanced, as is its functionality. Moreover, this product is modular. Mondall's LED device is available in lengths from 10 to 120 inches. There is no obstruction. Consequently, the light source is adapted to your structure and not vice versa. Consider the fact that Mondall LED device is designed to work in all industrial environments and is IP55 certified, water resistant and dust proof. And don't worry about which type of frame you use because Mondall has an LED device for every type of slot on the market. For example, item, 80/20 and T-slots, Bosch, Aluzic and Minitech. Think about it. A 3-foot LED device from Mondall like this replaces a fixture like this. I've made my choice. How about you?